My name is Spencer Coffman with Social Media Ministries, and this is Conor Ketterling with River Valley Church.
Yeah, great to be here.
Yeah, awesome. Conor, what is discipleship?
Wow, that's a big question, right? Not just the shallow end of the pool, but what is discipleship? I think discipleship is becoming more like Jesus
Okay,
at its simplest term.
good. And so it's just like reading the Bible and learning about Jesus and then trying to do that in our everyday life.
Yeah, I mean, I think, there's so many ways you can talk about discipleship of like, oh, I follow Jesus or I read the Bible or different things, but I think becoming more like Jesus tries to encapsulate all of that. That when we look at his life, when we look at his teachings, when we look at the way that he's instructed us to live and how he was countercultural to his day, that's how we need to live as Christians. And not just reading about it, but actually doing it, actually being obedient to it. And that's where the becoming more like Jesus is super important, because if we become more like him, we're going to be more kind. We're going to be more wise. We're going to be more gentle. We're going to be more patient. So it's our pursuit of becoming like Jesus. Now, we don't become Jesus, so it's not, we don't ever arrive. We're not saying like, I've become God or I am now like Jesus. No, you don't get to come to his level, but we just continuously grow to become more like him.
A journey.
Exactly.
Yeah. Out of love. Because that's the only way we can be more like him.
Yeah, I
have
mean,
the love that he had.
If we truly love Jesus, we'll become more like him and obey the things that he says, because people think that it's unloving to be a certain way or to hold certain beliefs or to say that Jesus is the only way to heaven or that that's sinful or that's wrong. But if we truly love God, we're going to do what he says over what the world says or
So
over
true.
what our friends say or over what culture says, because it's out of our love and devotion to Christ first that we want to become more like him. And that's going to make us more like him as we learn about who he is, learn about what he said, that when we do what he said, and then when we express that out to other people.
Awesome.